हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है मोहित and today I'm gonna tell you how what is the best screen recording application for Windows users. So just open your Google and type Microsoft Expression Encoder. This is the best uh, application where you can record your screen. So just go ahead and search for this icon, and here you will see this download Microsoft Expression Encoder 4. So this is the encoder which you need to download. Here just when you click on this page will open, and here is the option for download. Here is the option for language, what language you want to use. Of course you are going to use English, and select it and click on the download button. Once you click download, it will start downloading, and your files will be stored on your specific location. So I have downloaded it in my download folder. I just go to my download folder, and here is the download. This file has been downloaded. I'll click on start it, and you just go ahead and follow the instructions. It will take some time to install, so don't worry about this. First it will extract all the files. Okay, so once it will be installed, it will ask for you the restart your computer. So if you want to go ahead and restart, just click on this OK. I'm not going to restart it, so I just cross it, but you want to start, just go ahead and click on this OK button. So here you can see your application has been installed. Just search for it, encoder. So your application has been installed. Now you can search and use it. Thank you.